Sanibona bafethu uvane lo so namhlanje ngizokhuluma abadlali abawu2 abadlalile Orlando Pirates number 8 abadlalile Orlando Pirates, the new number 8 okuMasimdi Nemtajela oqhamuka le kuMarumo Gallants oqhamuka kule club ebikhojwa uAbdeslam Wadu. Mase ngiba nobani noTalente Mbatha. uTalente Mbatha amatalenta awafani nyamazi ke umchita bafethu. He has been playing for Orlando Pirates for the past 2 seasons. Esathanda kufika uAbdeslam Wadu, ngikhumbule kahle esathanda kufika kuOrlando Pirates uAbdeslam Wadu. He didn't play uTalente Mbatha. Ama games la Orlando Pirates ingadlalanga khona kahle. He didn't want to play uTalente Mbatha. Ngokwakhe uTalente Mbatha akadlale libhola leli afuna ukuthi adlale. And esathanda kuqala isizini wabonile ama cracks kuOrlando Pirates. You saw the cracks. Ukuthi Orlando Pirates ayikwazi ukuperforma when they are not playing with a typical player like uTalente Mbatha. When they are playing against ama team aqinile, they are not themselves, especially eswini. I always highlight indaba yesisu se-Orlando Pirates ukuthi sise-Orlando Pirates kumele sibe nabadlali abaqinile at all times. At all times, a player like uTalente Mbatha can start games. Yes, he can start games, but ungamshintsha phela second half. Awukwazi usuqalise umdlali ongaqinile udlala neteam eqinile. Lokho kuzowenza lo mdlali. For me, yabo lento le eyenzekile. Lento eyenzekile izowenza uNemtajela abukeke engawuthi akusiyena umdlali oright. Ama fans amaningi they will turn their backs on uNemtajela. They will turn their backs on uNemtajela because they know ukuthi when we have Talente Mbatha, we usually win games. When Talente Mbatha starts, we usually win games. And this makes the player look bad. Kanti inkinga isuke emuva. Coach doesn't want to look at the game esiwadlala uthi okay nje wasiyodlala neteam kanje kumele sidlale kumele siline up kanje ubani kumele baqale obani abazokwazi ukuba ibambe imidfield. When you are playing against ama opponents aqinile, kumele wenze sure ukuthi eswini uyaqina now. Ngomhla 1 November Orlando Pirates will be playing against iMamelodi Sundowns. That game, it's a must-win game for Orlando Pirates. It's a must-win game. If efuna ukuyiwina uAbdeslam Wadu leyo game against iMamelodi Sundowns, he must field a player like uTalente Mbatha. He must field a player like uSihlendule eswini. Bawuthula ubajida la. uMbatha uyi-box to box, but uyakwazi ukubuya defensively azomaka. Same as uNemtajela. Nemtajela is a box to box, but he lacks defensively. Akwazi ukubuya azosiza team imark. Iyona into emshaya kakhulu. Yabo, iyona into emshaya kakhulu. And when I say that, people tend to say uSawuvane. How can you say that? Yes, uNemtajela bafethu akwazi ukudlala as lo mdlalo okwazi ukubuya emuva zo defend. And mhlawumbe abanye abantu bangasho ukuthi hawo uMbatha bekhathele sathana kubuya kubafana bafana. uSibisi udlale 2 games. Sibisi played 2 games. So ngisasho namanje ucoach kumele ayilungise lento le. Yes, Nemtajela angadlala ibhola elimnandi, angashaya amaphasa amnandi, but you have to read your opponents. You cannot gamble ama games kanje. This is not any typical game esiyiluzile. Yabo, awukwazi ukugamblisha ama games. You cannot gamble ama games kanje. So lento le kumele ilungiswe bafethu. Talente Mbatha uyena mdlali Orlando Pirates ewina ngaye. Wabona esithana kufika uthi wayiluza kanjani. Wase se-introduce umdlalo njengombatha waseqala ewina ama games. Why manje esebuyele emuva? Lento yokumbuyelisa emuva iyona into ezomenza aqhubeke edliwa. Bafethu, Abdeslam Wadu kube ngakwazi ukukhuluma isiFrench noma isiMoroccan, ngabe ngiyakwazi ukusikhuluma njengamanje ngikutshele mhlawumbe ngolimi ozounderstand kodwa ke uyayazi English mhlawumbe bazokhomushela lapho abo uncikazi. Qalisa uMbatha ukhohlwa into eziningi. Qalisa uMbatha ama games. uNemtajela angena second half. Mjida umnandi kakhulu angena second half akwazi ukusinikeza something. But ama games ekumele aqale uMbatha. Aniyibukanga yini ama games eBafana Bafana? Ade niwabuka ama games eBafana Bafana. You saw Orlando Pirates players playing. You saw umdlalo njengombatha playing. You saw ukuthi yini ayinikeza iBafana Bafana against iRwanda. Why are you not playing uTalente Mbatha? Why are you keeping uTalente Mbatha at the bench? That's a question mark. But again, ngangitshela wona ama comments, do you think uNemtajela is a better player than uTalente Mbatha? Do you think uMbatha kumele aqale ebhenjini and uNamtajela aqale ama-games Orlando Pirates, even though ama-games wabona la ma-games la angasinikeza inkinga? Mind you, this is a Champions League game. E-Africa kudingakala abadlali abaqinile. You saw igoli abalikorile kunevideo nje engiyibonile uNamtajela bamshaya kabuhlungu phansi kwahanjwa kwakora igoli, ibhola lithathwa kuyena eswing umshaya nje ngesikhwepho wakabuhlungu phansi.